Hey everybody, we are on the second learning packet, day 2, and we're doing the spelling page right now. Spelling page is a review of what we did yesterday, and that was words with AR in them say R, like far. Mark, market, artist. I'm looking for all the AR words. March, which is a month and should be spelled with a capital M every time you write it. Barking. It looks like that's it for that section. Down here on the review words, dark, and on the challenge words, partner. So words that with an AR say R. Words with OR or ORE say OR, like horse, storm, acorn, north, stork, thorn, forest, and here's an ORE spelling. Chore, O-R-E, restore, and our review words, story, and in the challenge words, fortune. Now what they want you to do up here at the top is to just use the basic words in each box. So they just want you to look at words 1 through 14 and decide which ones say R, and those would be the ones that I highlighted in yellow. Again, only 1 through 14. You're not going to have room for the review words. And then in this box, they want you to put all of the words that say OR, so the ones that I highlighted in green. When you get down to the bottom, it says challenge. Does partner contain the vowel sound in far or the vowel sound in OR? And they want you to actually write far or OR. So which one do you hear in partner? Far or OR? So if I was going to write this down, I would write, okay, well, it makes the same sound as in far. So I'm going to write far. 2. Does fortune contain the vowel sound in far or the vowel sound in or? So which one are you hearing now? Are you hearing R like far or like or? Fortune. And on this one, we would write or. And that is what needs to be done on this page. Notice that I'm not writing anything in here. I'm going to let you do that. But again, the words that are highlighted in yellow say R like far, and the words that are highlighted in green say or like or. And you're only using words 1 through 14 for this activity at the top. Hopefully that answers any questions. If you have any questions, make sure to post them in Google Classroom. Talk to you later.